we're going to do a couple things. We're going to cold start the Porsche. I'm curious to see, there's no cats in it now, if it is going to smoke on cold start. Then we'll take her for a little rip with the head cam. I think I know a spot. We're going to stick the GoPro on a road sign or something there with the suction cup, and we can do some flybys. Didn't want to do it last time we got here because it's deer season. Driving a loud car up and down a wooded area right before dark in Missouri and deer season is a good way to get shot. Probably multiple times, right? Don't want to do that, but we're in the middle of the day. We should be able to pull it off. Let's cold start it. Let's see what we got right now. Actually fill up my chest. It's so loud. It does sound like it just has no exhaust on it, which it doesn't. Okay, so couple things. Does it stink with no cats? Actually, it smells less now than when it did. There you go. Than it did with the cats on it, because the cats were stanky, right? So it smells a little, just a smidge chainsaw-y. We'll put that out there. I did find some different exhausts. We probably will change it. I don't think it's worth spending money on high flow cats on it for this system. I could either buy two choices here. OBX system is about 500 bucks. Well, three choices. No name is 200 and some dollars. We're not gonna do that. OBX is 500 and some dollars, has good reviews. Fab Speed's about $2,000. Goo! So we'll see. Maybe I can find a deal on some Fab Speed. I'll call them up, tell them my Porsche channel has 10,000 subscribers that aren't really all Porsche people and I need some free stuff. And then once they laugh me out of there and slam the phone down on me, then we'll go buy it, right? Alright, so we're just driving a little bit. This thing's so freaking loud. Not even moving the pedal. Not even moving the pedal hardly at all. Well, let's go down here a little further. We have some deer hunters at our spot that I wanted to use, so we're just gonna have to, I don't know, we'll stop right here, I guess. I'm just trying to drive around normal. All the neighbors' dogs are barking at me and all this crap. It's just so, it just sounds like it just has no exhaust on it. It's all crackly and just nasty. Nasty, nasty. So now we have a decision to make. Do we just install mufflers on this? Which that would allow me to pick what mufflers or whatever I wanted, or cats or whatever. Or do I go and spend massive money on this big stainless system? We still don't know how it's going to sound because all we have is YouTube videos of people using cell phones to record them, and it blows the mic out. You can't really tell like how it sounds in real life. Okay, there we go. Ready? Okay, let's go back to the house where we get arrested, and let's figure this out. Well, in this case, the worst possible scenario happens. We'll film it. I lifted it up this far, and one of you guys said, I don't know how true it is, everybody says a lot of stuff, the most strain on it is right off the ground. So I lifted it up that far, maybe like everything's still good. We'll keep an eye on it, keep going. If it falls down and squishes the Porsche, and at least we'll have it on video, I guess. Do a check. I mean, it's got a lot of holding power right now. Just usually go in there and take your fingernails and go under that. You can feel it's lifting up. But there again, it's never lifted up on a car. It's only on the heavy Sequoias that are over 5,000 pounds. So it's like there's zero issue with this. Let's show you the exhaust work we did. Let's show you what we're gonna do. So here we are. Everything's just real uniform when we did it. And I see these moved just a smidge. We just tied them together with this. So there's a couple things with this car. This car does not have an X pipe on it, okay? Like this uniformity is pretty much the way most exhaust systems work. Some of those other exhaust systems have like a secondary pipe that goes in above it. But all the race ones don't have that, okay? So we have enough room right here to put a muffler, a small muffler, a really small muffler. We have basically, there's even a tape measure right here. Well, of course there's not. Yeah, there is. We have essentially, no, it's not enough, see? We got about 13 inches before it starts to bend. You could put something in there. So you need something overall, probably around 12 inches to get it done. So we kept all the factory bracket. We didn't mess with any of that stuff. So we're able to bolt some other stuff right in. I hate to lose the carbon fiber tips, but if we go with a different system, we're gonna lose those. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, I just got in looking, the fast speed system that I want is $2,000. That's a lot of freaking money for this car, right? We have other cars we wanna buy. We got a mezzanine to finish. We got more building to build. We got all this other stuff going on. The OBX system looks like everybody's using that. There's no problems. It's $587. It's a complete 100% stainless steel system. I think I'm just going to go and order that probably tomorrow or this evening. And that way it's just bolt on the go. It's all stainless and all done. If any of you guys have a Cayman or a Boxster 987 and you're interested in the straight pipe system, let me know. I'll work some out with you. And that's it. We'll see you probably tomorrow. Let me see what we're doing. Hood struts. I don't know. All kinds of crap to do, right? All right, guys. See you later. Have a good day.